Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix OnlyFans content not showing. I just tap on my Safari browser and you will see I will see the all contents. If you don't see the content and not showing, it's mean that your application has not updated or your internet connection is poor or some like that. So I will check my internet connection. I will go back and tap to my phone settings and check my mobile data and also check my Wi-Fi connection if it connected. So just refresh it, Wi-Fi and mobile data, and again so just tap on this browser and you can clear the cache of this Safari browser and refresh it, so it will be resolved your problem and content will be shown. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.